Good evening friends. Now today in this video we are going to discuss numerical control system, direct numerical control system. Distributed numerical control system is a technology that allows a single computer to be networked with one or more machines. See here a single computer is connected with number of machines, okay, that use computer numerical control. Suppose there are 10 machines and that 10 machines are operated by computer. That means suppose they are computer numerical controlled operated machines, then that 10 machines, okay, is controlled with a network, that is direct numerical control or distributed numerical control. In the distributed numerical control, the central computer downloads complete programs to the CNC machines, which can be connected to different workstations. Okay, see the central computer, it downloads, it stores all the details of the programs which are useful for the 10 machines which it connects. Using the distributed numerical control system, an operator can speedily load CNC programs into several machines. Okay, machines such as drill presses, lathes to perform multifaceted and respective tasks automatically. DNC system facilitates the remote control of multiple program robots. Okay, see number of robots can be controlled with a central computer. So what we do, that number of robots required some motions and other related data, so that data is stored in the central computer, and that central computer, okay, controls all the motions of that robots. You see here, this is the main host computer. Okay, see these are the main two computers connected to host or main computer. Then this computer is again controls the two computers. This computer also controls the two computers, and in turn this computer controls the machine. See, machine 1, 2, 3. These three machines are controlled by this computer. In the same way, this computer controls these three machines. The same process is considered with respect to this computer and this computer. Okay, and see all these machines are NC controlled machine tools. Okay, see this is level number 1, this is level number 2, this is the main computer. So this is the brief idea about the distributed numerical control network. See, it controls the other computers which are connected in series and those entire computers. What are the advancements of distributed numerical control system? Capability to connect and maintain entire computers properly in a sequence. Okay, then level managing. Okay, then reduced machine tools inspection requirements, feedback system is stronger, data storage, backup system for data and information, reduced non-productive time. We can increase the productivity, greater accuracy and repeatability. We can do repetitive work with a great accuracy or greater accuracy. Scrap rate is lower and more complex part geometries can be machined. Applications. electrical wire wraps machines, components inspection machines, drafting machines, coordinate measuring machines, CMM, tape laying machines for polymer composites, filament winding machines for polymer composites, cutting, knitting and riveting machines, continuous and flexible production, complex part geometry operations, many separate machining operations on the part. Now here we are going to discuss the comparison of CNC, DNC and distributed numerical control system. Now first CNC. Here in this column we consider the points related to CNC system. In this column we consider the points related to direct numerical control system, and in the last column distributed numerical control system. Now first production system used. So in CNC generally we consider batch production. In direct numerical control system we consider mass production, and in distributed numerical control system we consider very heavy mass production. Second point, computerized system. Single computer is used to control the machine. Here one computer control more than one machines. Here a centralized computer controls all the computers that control a number of machines. Programming, manual or automatic part programming, automatic programming, efficient automatic programming. Flexibility, good, better, best. That means distributed numerical control system is the best. Memory storage and capacity. Normal memory storage, here we consider bulk memory storage and very heavy memory storage. Okay. Communication lines. Normal communication lines, here we consider telecommunication lines. Here we consider super telecommunication lines. Product quality and quantity. Ordinary, enhanced means changed, and tremendous. Machine control technology. General control, modern control and smart control. Then reliability, good, better and best means superior. That means distributed numerical control system is superior, okay, over the direct numerical control system and CNC system in case of reliability. Feedback system, in CNC it is normal, it is better and it is efficient and high technology. Next, performance. Standard in case of CNC, in case of DNC greater, and in case of distributed numerical control it is superior. Data collection and reporting. Pool, good and greater. Technology used. CAM, computer aided manufacturing. Here CAD CAM, computer aided drawing and computer aided manufacturing. Here CAD CAM, CAPP and CAE. What is CAPP? Computer aided process planning and computer aided engineering. Types of system, hybrid and straight. Here BTR SMCU, here distributed. Backup system, normal, better and stronger. See, if we consider the comparison between these three types of system, we come to know that distributed numerical control system is the best over CNC and direct numerical control systems. Thank you.